How to share internet via Wi-Fi in Realme smartphones. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and in order to share your mobile internet connection via Wi-Fi on a Realme smartphone, you will need to use the mobile hotspot features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to settings, and now you need to scroll down. Look for connection and sharing option and tap on it. Select personal hotspot or mobile hotspot. This is the option that allows you to share your mobile data over Wi-Fi. Simply you need to toggle on the button for personal hotspot or mobile hotspot, and after that you can easily set your hotspot name. By going to the hotspot setting, you can change the password as well. You can choose the security and AP band as well, and tap the check mark at top right in order to save the changes. Once done, on the other device, that is phone, laptop or tablet, you need to search for available Wi-Fi network and connect using the hotspot name and password you just configured. So make sure you have a data plan that supports the tethering, and using your phone as a hotspot can drain the battery quickly. You need to plug into a charger if needed. Make sure that you toggle on the data or Wi-Fi for this. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and comment.